A verb is a word used to express an action or a state. As for example, she writes English. The word write, it is word. I do my work. In this sentence, the word do is word. I always help the poor. I always help. The word help, madad karna. This is word. Now, try to understand, that is number 5, preposition. Preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun in the sentences. तो preposition को उर्दू में हर्फ जार कहते हैं, यानी कि प्रीपोजिशन वो लफ्ज है जो किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के पहले लाया जाता है या बोला जाता है. He came from Lahore. From, right? The fish jumped into the water. In this sentence, into, the word into is preposition. Next, there is a flower in the garden. In the garden, the word in. The fish jumped into the water. The fish jumped into, the word into here is preposition. He came from Karachi. From, the word from is preposition in this sentence.